Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to use this awesome tool that I found on the internet. So please watch till the end. Everything works great! Okay, so let's begin. Please go to this website. You can find here free tweaked apps. Now I need to find my app. This mod works for Android and iOS devices. And no root or jailbreak is required. Now start injection process. Whole process should take about a minute. Now process to final step. That is annoying, but it keeps apps signed. Complete 2 offers and follow instructions. It's very easy, but you must remember to follow the instructions from each offer. Let me do this and show it for you. I'll install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Okay, it's time for the second offer. Now I'll install this app and I need to run it for 30 seconds too. Okay, your Tweaks app is ready. Let's check it out now. This mod is really awesome. Click like for my video if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have fun, guys. I hope you really enjoyed my video.